In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change or add a phone number to your Outlook account. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Outlook account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select My Microsoft Account. On your Microsoft account page, click your info, then select Manage how you sign in to Microsoft. You may be asked to verify your identity before continuing. To add a new phone number, click Add Sign-in method. Choose Phone, enter your phone number, and complete the verification process. To change an existing phone number, select the current phone number, choose Change or Remove, then add your new phone number and verify it. Once the verification is complete, your new phone number will be linked to your Microsoft account and can be used for account recovery and security verification. That's how to change or add a phone number on Outlook. Thanks for watching.